Hello and welcome to our video on the amazing benefits of turmeric for men. Turmeric is a powerful spice that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. In recent years, researchers have discovered that turmeric offers numerous health benefits, particularly for men. In this video, we will discuss some of the key benefits of turmeric and how it can help you improve your health and well-being. So, let's get started. Turmeric is a spice that is derived from the curcuma longa plant. It is commonly used in Asian cuisine, particularly in Indian dishes such as curries. However, turmeric is also known for its medicinal properties and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. In recent years, scientific research has confirmed that turmeric contains compounds that offer many health benefits, particularly for men. One of the main benefits of turmeric for men is its ability to boost testosterone levels. Testosterone is a hormone that is essential for men's health and well-being. It plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and sex drive. As men age, their testosterone levels naturally decrease, which can lead to a variety of health problems. However, research has shown that turmeric can help to increase testosterone levels, which can help to improve overall health and well-being. In addition to boosting testosterone levels, turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Turmeric contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to prevent these health problems. Another benefit of turmeric for men is its ability to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is the most common type of cancer in men, and it can be deadly if not detected early. However, studies have shown that turmeric can help to reduce the risk of prostate cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Turmeric also has antioxidant properties, which means that it can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Turmeric contains compounds that can neutralize free radicals, which can help to protect the body against these diseases. Finally, turmeric has been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. As men age, their risk of developing cognitive decline and dementia increases. However, turmeric contains compounds that can help to improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits of turmeric for men's health and well-being. From boosting testosterone levels to reducing the risk of prostate cancer, turmeric is truly a remarkable spice. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your health and well-being, be sure to add turmeric to your diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.